What if everything you know about feeding your garden is wrong? What if the real secret to a thriving garden isn't about adding more and more fertilizer, but about something much simpler and more natural? Maybe your garden isn't starving for nutrients, maybe it's starving for life. Many gardeners overlook the most important ingredient, a living, breathing soil ecosystem. We're taught to fix weak plants with fertilizer, but the real problem is often lifeless soil. Chemical fertilizers might give a quick boost, but they can't replace the complex web of life that healthy soil needs. Healthy soil is alive, teeming with bacteria, fungi, and tiny critters that unlock nutrients for your plants. These organisms break down organic matter, recycle nutrients, and help plants grow strong and resilient. Without this underground workforce, soil is just dirt. Nutrients are there, but plants can't access them. It's like having a treasure chest with no key. Think of it like a pantry full of food but no chef to cook it. The ingredients are present but nothing nourishing gets made. The solution isn't more fertilizer, it's reviving the ecosystem beneath your feet. When you nurture soil life, your plants will naturally thrive. And the best way to do that? Use what's already in your yard, fallen leaves. These leaves are nature's gift, packed with nutrients and organic matter. Those leaves aren't waste, they're the fuel that powers the soil's living engine. As they break down, they feed the microbes and worms that make your soil rich and fertile. By returning leaves to your garden, you feed the microbes and create a thriving, self-sustaining system. Over time, your soil becomes healthier, and your plants become more productive and resilient. Forget the fertilizer bag. Your garden's real hunger is for life, not chemicals. When you focus on building living soil, you'll see your garden transform in ways you never expected. How do dead leaves transform your soil? It's nature's slow-release miracle quietly working beneath our feet. Every autumn, trees shed their leaves, and what looks like simple litter is actually the beginning of a powerful transformation. In forests, layers of fallen leaves break down over time, creating a rich, spongy earth. No fertilizer needed. This natural process has been nourishing woodlands for centuries. By spreading leaves over your garden beds, you mimic that same process at home, giving your soil a steady supply of organic matter and nutrients. Leaves form a protective blanket, keeping soil moist and cool, shielding it from harsh sun and wind, and inviting earthworms and beneficial creatures to move in. These critters break down the leaves, aerate the soil, and mix in organic matter, making the ground healthier and more fertile with every passing season. Beneath the surface, armies of microbes feast on the decaying leaves, releasing nutrients right where plant roots need them most, fueling growth from below. The result? Steady, natural feeding, improved soil structure, and a garden that's more resilient to drought and compaction. Water soaks in more easily, roots grow deeper and stronger, and your plants thrive with less effort. With leaves, you're not just feeding your plants, you're building a living high-performance home for them, season after season. Ready to start? It's easy. Collect leaves from your yard, or your neighbor's. Shred them with a lawnmower for faster breakdown. Spread a thick layer, 4 to 6 inches, over your garden beds. Keep leaves away from plant stems to prevent rot. For new beds, lay cardboard first, to smother weeds, then pile on the leaves. Water the mulch to help it settle and kickstart decomposition. No tilling, no compost starter, just let nature work. The worms, bugs, and microbes will do the rest, turning leaves into rich soil. Your job is done. Nature takes over from here. Feeding your soil with leaves is like giving it a balanced, nourishing meal, full of everything it needs to thrive. Just as our bodies benefit from a variety of whole foods, soil comes alive when it's fed with organic matter like leaves, which break down and enrich it over time. In contrast, using chemical fertilizer is like living on energy drinks. Quick, artificial, and lacking real substance. Chemical fertilizers give plants a fast jolt of nutrients, making them grow rapidly for a short time, but this quick fix comes at a cost. Plants become weak and the soil loses its vitality, turning lifeless and depleted. Over time, you get trapped in a cycle where plants depend on chemicals, roots stay shallow, and the rich web of soil life disappears, leaving your garden more vulnerable. Leaf mulch, on the other hand, feeds the entire soil food web. Microbes, fungi, earthworms, and insects all benefit. As the mulch breaks down, it releases a full spectrum of nutrients slowly and steadily. Plants develop deep, healthy roots become stronger, and naturally resist pests and diseases. After just one season, you'll notice your soil turning darker and more crumbly, teeming with earthworms and life. Your plants will look greener and healthier. With this living soil, your garden becomes more resilient to drought, pests, and disease, bouncing back from challenges with ease. Plants thrive on their own, drawing everything they need from the living soil, no chemical crutch required. They become part of a self-sustaining, vibrant ecosystem where every season brings richer soil and healthier plants. The benefits of leaf mulch build year after year. Each fall, add a fresh layer, your soil gets richer, and your garden more resilient. Over time, hard clay or sandy soil transforms into dark, spongy loam. You'll water less, fight fewer weeds, and enjoy healthier plants. Don't just keep layering leaves on top. For tough leaves, shred them finer for faster breakdown. Fallen leaves aren't waste. They're a gift that transforms your garden. This fall, skip the fertilizer. Give your garden the free, natural meal it's been waiting for. Build a legacy of healthy soil and thriving plants, one leaf at a time.